Now that we have practiced rounding to the thousands, we are going to practice rounding to the 10,000s place. Don't forget you can drag your box on the number line where it goes. So the number that we are rounding, boys and girls, is 19,842. Since we are rounding to the 10,000s place, that would be our 1. Go next door to the next place value, which is the thousands. The number is a 9. 4 or less, let it rest. 5 or more, up the score. So since it is a 9, we're going to let it go up the score. That is going to make this number 20,000. Now fill in the stem. 19,842 is closer to 20,000. Therefore, 19,842 is about 20,000. Please do not forget to drag the number in the corner where it goes on the number line. This would go